We're taking the S14 in for phase 1 of the insurance. I was meant to be going to get a damage report, and as you can see, my fucking diff is fucking blowing up. I don't actually know if it's blown up for sure, but that is not good. I thought it was the gearbox or the clutch or something, but it was still selecting gears. And then looked at the drive shaft is still moving. Have a look under the back, and fucking that's there. So it's not getting fixed yet. Like what? What do I do? Oh, we are back. What's the first thing we got here? We got us a bit of a full, complete engine loom. It's got a couple plugs cut off, but boom, that whole thing's there. Bride. Just need a seat rail if any of y'all got one. Let me know. But yeah, so we got a matching pair of those. Oh, that is super dirty. Don't look at that. Yeah. Boom. We got a head. We got a block. Also just got these new like crystal clear corner lights from Moonlight. So they tidy it up way better, and they also got like the mounts too, because I snapped the other ones. Or the old mate that sold me the other ones were snapped, so yeah, got that. Yeah, we got a block. It's actually a complete block, it's got everything in there. Just tidying up that side. Taking out this light. We'll show you that in a second. For oh yeah, and all the stuff too. I got a Takata harness up there. That's waiting to go in. We got literally everything. Injectors. We got oil squirters. We got pulleys. We got water pumps. We got dizzies. We got some more corner lights. If anyone wants these, let me know. They're still in mint condition. They just got broken clips. But let me know if you want those. Got a head gasket from when I was going to do a plus T on that. But now we're doing a plus T on this. So yeah, that'll work out good. Water neck, some more pulleys, power steering, alternator. Yeah, we got a decent bit of stuff. What's back there? That's all the pool noodles for the cage once we go back out one day. This looks pretty tidy in here. Got some new PS lines in there, power steering lines. They're from Mitch too. He's the homie that hooked me up with the whole motor. Shout out to him. GC. But yeah, they're looking pretty fresh. Ready for the motor to drop straight on that. But if you got any engine mounts, let me know. Down below. I'll call. But yeah, if we got a bit of a loop. We got a loop happening here today. So take note of that. Yeah, what I'm up to. Oh well, this thing's up in the air. The diff blew on that, which is pretty mean. Stoked as, went to take it for that damage report and it just blew on me. So I was like, what the fuck? But we'll suss that out, we'll get that sorted. Just looking out for like a two-way. If anyone has a two-way, even just, yeah, the center, I'll buy that. I'll be pretty keen on that. Yeah, we're just gonna also take the drive shaft hoop out, because Josh is gonna use it on Monday, or put it in tonight, something like that. So I'm gonna rip that out, rip all the interior out. But I guess that's good, gives me an excuse to clean the carpet, clean the interior. So it's not too bad. Yeah, we're just gonna take off this S13 headlight lens, because it's super dirty. Yeah, I definitely don't know how, but there is so much shit in this light. I don't know, it's still in good condition, so I definitely want to try, yeah, take this lens off today. I don't break it in the process. But I do have 2 more lights coming. One of them's a double projector, and then one of them's a triple. Some spares, because they're like 70 bucks. I thought, why not? May as well. They're pretty cheap. So we've got a heat gun. Basically, gonna take this thing, get that heat flowing. Take this round, go all the way around the edges. Don't want to go too close, don't want to get it too hot, but yeah, we just want to heat up all the silicone, and yeah, hopefully it shall start peeling away. Someone tried to attack it there, but yeah, let's do that. And we're in. Took a little bit of one of these scrapers, one over there that I fucking trashed too, but I'm just gonna hit it with the heat gun one more time, and then yeah, it should pop off. Slowly just going around with the heat gun and the scraper and just slowly getting it under, because the seal's actually under this here. So once you pop this black seal up, you gotta put it in and then sort of get it under there. So it's working so far. And once you do that for a bit of a minute, you should have something like this. Actually came out pretty easily. Oh, stuck to the bloody table. Jeez. As you can see, it's a bit dirty in there. So just gonna clean that up. Someone definitely tried to take it out previously, but didn't do too good of a job. So here I'm coming in clutch and I'm gonna tidy it up. And even here, there's like a lot of sand, a lot of shit and stuff. So yeah, we'll give this a good tidy up and see how it looks. And then we get to this point, which is just the 2 Phillips, and on the back of this thing here, it's just got like clips, one there, and they just clip into there, another one there. So you just pop those out and get those 2 Phillips out, and then you can take this middle piece out also, just so you can get in behind here. Why not? Get all this stuff here too. I mean, you're not gonna see it, but for the peace of mind, while we're taking it off, we may as well go the extra length and take it all out. So I'm just gonna give it a good clean and we'll start putting it back together. So he's fucking come over here and it's taking my drive shaft hoop. So my whole car's about like this, and yeah, we gotta get that thing under there. And so we're just taking out the seats, taking out the carpet, taking out the back seats, taking out the shifter, taking out the carpet, taking out these, taking out this, taking out that.
And some nice seatbelts.
And we got a door trim. We got a seat out. We got a... Fuck, yeah, this looks ugly, dude. And then, fuck, I think we can pull this up. Pull that fucking on there. And, yep. Found it. Is it over there? Is it look Is it over there?
Yeah, it is.
Here, the boys. Look at that. What a nice... yeah, this thing's not looking too nice. There we got some focus, but yeah, the whole thing's stripped. We got the hoop out. We also got the headlight. I didn't show you putting it back together, but I'll just quickly put it back together so I can have a look. But it's looking better than that one. So finally, they're looking pretty legit. I'm pretty stoked with that. In like 5 minutes, and yeah, pretty much looks like brand new. So I'm gonna chuck on look at the flash on a hoop, chuck on a couple of other things, get it back together, and hopefully it'll be rolling again tonight. But sure, I'll see you there.